Hi guys, Jim McCord. I'm going to share with you today a couple things, but first thing I'm going to share with you is a book. It's called A Revolution in Real Estate Sales. It's a book I wrote about 2.5 years ago. It quickly became a #1 bestseller. You can get that on Amazon for $9.95. Why would you want it? Well, if you're a realtor and you've looked at dozens or hundreds of books, because there are hundreds of real estate books, what you'll find out is almost all of them share the exact same ideas. Cold phone calling, door knocking, farming, Facebook marketing, buying leads from Zillow. They all share the same stuff. I've been licensed 25 years. My first 17 years I did those things. I did a ton of cold phone calls. I knocked on hundreds and hundreds of doors. I did get listings. But I'll tell you two things about that. Most agents won't do it, that's a fact. And secondly, most homeowners don't want to be cold phone called and they don't want to be door knocked. That's a fact. Anyway, I started doing things a little bit differently about 9 years ago. No more cold phone calls, no more door knocks. Use a couple systems that will blow you away. And I'll share the single biggest secret I found out about 5 years ago. It's drone photography. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, you don't need to go out and buy one of these, and I suggest you don't go out and buy one. We need to use an FAA approved drone photographer for aerial videos and aerial photography. So don't buy one. But you got people who are FAA approved in your market, I promise you that. Now, when you go after expired listings that should have had drone photos and drone videos, and you let that seller know that, you get the listing. It's that simple. You'll find that tip and a whole lot of other ones in this book on Amazon. Jim McCord, search a Revolution in Real Estate Sales on Amazon, $9.95. Have a great day.